Yeah, man, it's crazy. Cause
Like that?
Cause once we hit the water,
it's like ooh,
shaking up the whole table. Man. I'm telling you, it was crazy, man. That was crazy.
That's nice, man.
I know.
How high y'all got? Like 500 feet. 500 feet. I mean, it was at first it was but you know, man, it's crazy. Yo, what's up? What's going on?
Huh?
What's that?
Nah, it was just nothing, man. You know, just crazy stuff.
You ain't got no.